I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a basic report in Salesforce. Open the Reports tab and click New Report to start. Choose a report type that matches your data, then use filters to narrow records. Add fields and groupings to organize insights and drag summaries for totals or averages. Run the report, adjust columns, and save it to a folder for team access and future edits. Start by selecting the right report type and adding the fields you need for your analysis. Group by account, owner, or product to create logical sections that reveal trends. Add summary fields for totals or averages and include percentage calculations where useful. Use filters to limit results, preview the report, then tweak columns and formatting for readability before running the final version to validate your findings and utility. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough for durability and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long office days or field work. I use them and they make long reporting sessions surprisingly comfy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After saving your report, set folder permissions so the right team members can view or edit it. Use the export option to download CSV or Excel files for deeper analysis or presentation needs. Set a schedule to email the report to stakeholders regularly and choose formats and frequency that match their workflow. Add a descriptive name and summary so recipients know the report purpose at a glance before they open it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.